Alright, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at escape sequences and comments. So escape sequences are basically shortcuts you can put into print statements in order to do different stuff. And this can sometimes allow you to write fewer print statements. So let's take a quick glance at what this is. So there are 4 different types. There's they all use backslashes. So the first one is a double backslash. The second one is a backslash followed by a quote. The third one is a backslash followed by a T. And the last one is a backslash followed by an N. So something in common, they all start with backslashes followed by some sort of character. So let's look at the first one. So the double backslash displays a single backslash. So if I were to put in double backslash over here, I would get a single backslash over here in the display. This is the display. Let me just write that down. The display. So the display will read escape single backslash sequences. Alright? And the next one is a backslash quote. And this allows you to display a single quotation mark. So if I were to do something like that, it would show a single quote, just like that. Pretty easy. And then a backslash T allows you to insert a tab. So if I were to insert a backslash T, it doesn't really display anything. It just displays a tab or a space. So over here, it would just be a little further apart. And then finally, backslash N. Backslash N allows you to move the cursor to the next line. So it's similar to a print ln. However, you do not have to write another print statement. You can just do it in the same one by writing backslash N. And like I said, this allows you to move this to the next line. Okay, so those are escape sequences, pretty simple. Let's look at comments. So comments are basically used for the coder to actually insert notes or something like that into their code so that they just as reminders that, okay, this variable has this function or this method has that function. So they're just good to use whenever you're writing code, just to keep everything organized. So the first one is a double /, and it allows you to write a single line comment. And again, just to keep in mind, comments are not included part of the code. They're just notes. They do not get processed or compiled in your code. Okay? So, and moving on. So these next two, the last two, are kind of related. The first one is a / followed by an asterisk, which begins a multi-line comment. And the second one is a asterisk followed by a /, which ends a multi-line comment. So for example, if I start that, I just started a multi-line comment, and I have some lines of code, whatever it may be, and then I just put in an asterisk followed by a / to end that multi-line comment.